Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how you can fix the error "This site can't be reached." For this, I will open my Chrome browser and I will clear my browsing history. So, I will open my Chrome browser. Here, I will tap on the three dots upper right corner and then I will select Settings. And then I will scroll down a bit and I will choose Privacy and Security. Here, the first option you can see, Clear Browsing Data. Tap on it and need to clear all these three: browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. Tap on Clear Data and check if your problem is solved. Otherwise, we will move to our next step. Next step is use OpenDNS. For this, go back to your Chrome and then three dots upper right corner. After this, again go to Settings and then scroll down a bit and again Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down it and tap on Use Secure DNS and then choose another provider and then click on Customize and then click on Open DNS and check if your error is solved. Otherwise, we will move to our next step. Next step is use network manually. For this, go to your phone settings and then connections. After this, go to mobile networks, choose your SIM card and then choose LTE 3G 2G automatic connection. After that, check if your error is solved. Otherwise, we will move to our final step. The last fix you can pick for this error: install a VPN and use VPN on your mobile. For this, open your Play Store and search for VPN, and you can see I have many different options. I can select one VPN. I have already installed a VPN, so I will open my VPN. You can see I have AZ VPN. I will open it, and after opening the VPN, I will just tap on Connect. After connecting the VPN, I will try to open this site again. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.